Hey, it's Tom from WPWithTom.com, and in this video I'll be going over the Divi code module. So before we dive into the tutorial, I just wanted to let you know I have a special discounted affiliate link to get 10% off Divi. If you don't already have it, I highly recommend picking it up, and you can do that through the discount link below, WPWithTom.com/Divi. I also wanted to mention that I'll be posting videos on every one of the Divi modules on my channel here, so be sure to subscribe if you want to see more. And with that out of the way, let's dive into the Divi code module. So this module is actually pretty handy when you want to add some custom code, CSS, or even embed a video or a Google iframe map, something like that. So in this quick example, I'm just going to show you the basics of how to use the module and add a full width Google map iframe. So I'm going to get started by clicking Add New Section on this layout pack that comes within Divi's membership. And I'll just say add a regular section and a new row of the full width one row like that. And here I'll scroll down and hit Code for the module. And from here I'm actually going to go over to Google and I'll just go to maps.google.com. And here I'll go and I'll find, let's go and just put in the White House, just to have an address or something that I know is going to come up. So right here it gives the address of the White House and it says it's 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. And if we go right here, we can click on where it says share. So I'm going to go to where it says embed a map, and this is actually something that Google makes you pay for these days. So if we just go and click copy HTML right here, we're going to be able to adjust this and put it on our site. It's going to look like this. So with the code module, if we go over to where it says code and we just paste it in, by default we get this map that looks like this. It's not big enough for what we want, but right here you can see that width equals 600. I'm just going to go and put 100% there, and it is going to make it wider when we do that. And then once we have this in place, I'm just going to go and click the save mark right there, that check mark. And then here I'm going to go and click on where it says row settings, design, sizing. And then over here you can choose the max width. So right now it's on 1080 pixels. If I wanted to, I can go and make it fit full width just like that. And I can make the width go to 100% right here. So now we have full width, and it's going to appear that way for the max width of 2560 pixels. So it's going to fit on widescreen images. Now if you wanted to, you can also use gutter width and add in a gutter as well. Or you can go right here and choose the width to be like 97% as an example, if you want that little gutter on the side. So you don't have to have it take up the full 100%, but I wanted to show you how to make a full width one. Now if we wanted to, we can just save this and use this custom code module to be able to add all sorts of code or iframe or whatever you want to add. This was just a quick example that I think could help people out that want to add a map. And you can see right here it will display the name, the location, the address, the ratings, and the directions, and you can also view it on a larger map as well. So it's a pretty nice feature. To make it go into effect, you just go down here and save it. And that wraps up just one of the many examples or the possibilities to use for this Divi code module. Hope this quick video helped you out. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more WordPress and Divi related tutorials. Thanks for viewing and have a wonderful day.